to Island Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose and today I will be showing you guys another mouth-watering recipe. Today I will be making smothered chicken. Not only smothered chicken, okay? We're making it in the oven, which will save us a tons and tons of time, okay? This recipe is so good. Oh my God, perfect with white rice. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. And guys, we hit 100K. Oh my God, guys, you just don't know how happy and excited I am. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful to have you guys, all of you guys who subscribe to my channel. I promise you guys, I will bring out banger recipe for y'all. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started with this smothered chicken recipe. All right, y'all, to begin, you're going to season your chicken. You can use chicken thighs, wings. I had drumsticks, so we're using drumstick. Now the seasonings that I'm using will be down below with the name and the measurement. You know I got y'all, so check the description box for the measurement. In the name, of course. Now I am going to rub the seasoning all over the chicken. Once everything is well combined with the chicken, we're going to cover the chicken and place it in the fridge for about 30 to 1 hour, or you can cook it right away. Now in this cast iron here, I added about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. I took out my chicken and we're going to sear the chicken, okay? Now the chicken is not going to be fully cooked. It's just to give it some color, just to brown the chicken a bit. Once you have a beautiful color all over the chicken, and we'll move on to the next step, okay? Look how those chicken are just chilling and looking good already, but they're not done yet, so don't eat them. All right, now I am going to remove my chicken. I am going to place it in a different container, and in the same cast iron, I am going to add 1 more tablespoon of butter in there. Once it is nice and melted, I am going to fry my veggies. I'm adding green onion. Now you can use celery. I like the flavor of the green onions. That's why I am using it. "30 seconds later, I am going in with my yellow onion. Once my onions are nice and translucent, I am going in with about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to fry or cook the flour for about, I'll say 1 minute, until, just to remove the raw flour taste, okay? And then we're going in with chicken broth. Now don't use water. You need some good old chicken broth. Just pour that in there occasionally until you form your gravy. Make sure you keep stirring it as well. Alright, now my gravy is nice and almost ready, not yet. I am going to season it with salt and pepper and some onion powder, garlic powder, with some poultry seasoning as well, just to give it some flavor, okay? We don't want plain, we want some flavor in there. So I added some paprika as well, okay? Smoked paprika. Now give that a mix. We're going to take that gravy and pour it all over the chicken. Or you can take your chicken and just place it in there and bake it. But I decided to bake it in a different dish. Just pour it on there just like that. Now we're going to make sure we take a spoon and just run that sauce all over the chicken just like that, okay? And then we're going to take a foil. We're going to place the foil on top of this dish and bake this chicken. Okay, we're going to bake it for 40 minutes. Once it is done, oh my gosh, this is the most rich, the chicken's smothered all over this rich gravy, and it tastes amazing, guys. This goes really well with mashed potatoes, with green beans, with whatever you want to combine this chicken with. Mine, I ate it with white rice, and I tell you, this was the best smothered chicken ever. It tastes so good, guys. Give this one a try and let me know how you like it. Oh my gosh. And the chicken, perfect dark meat, so tender. Oh my gosh. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I will see you guys in a new video very soon. Bye. Yum.